Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today, I'll be sharing a quick guide on how you can host your website in less than 3 minutes for free using Firebase. To begin with, you'll need to have a website ready. I've personally created one for my YouTube channel. It's a simple website where you can access all my YouTube videos along with useful resource links. Once you've created your website, ensure that all your files are placed within the public folder, just like I'm demonstrating here. Now, go to firebase.google.com. If you don't have an account, create one. Otherwise, simply sign in. Since I already have an account, I'll be logged in automatically. Now, let's create a project just as I'm demonstrating. Provide a name for your project, then click on Continue. After that, you'll need to wait for the project to be prepared. While you're waiting, feel free to like this video, share it with your friends, and consider subscribing to my channel for more helpful and related videos. Next, let's link our website with Firebase. At this point, if you prefer to assign a custom site name, you can do so like this. Afterward, register your website. We'll skip the next step and proceed directly to the third step. Now, navigate to your project folder and execute the command npm install g-firebase tools to install Firebase tools globally on your computer. You can run this command from any location, not just within the folder. I won't run it here since I've already installed it. Following the installation, use the command firebase login to log into the Firebase CLI. Make sure to select the appropriate Google account when prompted. Now, let's initialize our project by using the firebase init command. Select the hosting option, then choose use an existing project, and finally, select the appropriate project for your website. Since we've assigned a custom name, you'll need to add a few lines of code to the Firebase JSON file. Now, all that's left is to run Firebase deploy within the same project directory to easily host your project. In the future, if you make any updates, you'll only need to run this command again. Thank you very much for watching my video. If you enjoyed it, please consider hitting the like button and subscribing to my channel. Your support means a lot to me.